Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rumi says, "These pains you feel are messengers. Listen to them." Today in our meditation, we invoke Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, Al-Mu'min, the absolute certainty of protection. Al-Mu'min is the one who offers to us a real faith and a trust that is free of all fear, craft, and deceit. From its root we learn that Al-Mu'min is a divine gift that allows us to feel safety, confidence, and security in our hearts. It allows human beings to have trust in God alone and not be taken in by secondary causes or what appear on the surface to be the causes of conditions. Invocation of Ya Mu'min leads to authenticity. The Quran tells us that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has put signs within us and in the horizons, showing to us that we are a part of this cosmos more than we realize. When we awaken fully, we don't feel a separation from our environment or the universe. But in physical terms, that sounds like pure imagination because no one is literally the world. However, we are the universe if we share the essence that unites everything in creation. It's the grand state of being. Spiritually, we are the universe when we desire unbounded love and peace. Those human qualities are also the qualities of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Or perhaps it would be better to say that as humans and as vicegerents of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala on earth, we have the potential to reflect these divine qualities through us. With our intention to evolve, we seek to unite with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala through the name of Al-Mu'min, the absolute certainty of protection. As we prepare to meditate, let's take a moment to center ourselves in this zikr and what it means and how it entails our actions. We seek protection in the Al-Mu'min, and through this protection, we seek to change our environment through our hearts. As we recite this zikr, we feel the essence as the essence of all creation, and as the light of Al-Mu'min rids us of the darkness within us and embraces our hearts in its pure love, we should know that it also helps to dissipate the darkness from around us in our world. Make yourselves comfortable and close your eyes. Be aware of your breath and breathe slowly and deeply. And as I repeat Al-Mu'min 136 times, remember that in each repetition, it is reminding us of the absolute protection, the absolutely certain protection of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And with each repetition, feel your body, mind, and spirit open and ready to receive. Whenever you find yourself distracted by thoughts or noises or physical sensations, gently bring your attention back to your recitation, Al-Mu'min, the absolute certainty of protection. I will guide the zikr and you may follow. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Al-Mu'minu, Al-Mu'minu, Al-Mu'min, Al-Mu'minu, Al-Mu'minu, Al-Mu'min, Al-Mu'minu, 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 Al-Mu'min, Al-Mu'min. المؤمن 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 المؤمن. We will now observe silence for another 5 minutes. When the time is up, I will inform you. Gently bring your attention back to this meditation, to the zikr of Mumin, and keep it as a centering thought for the rest of your day. The absolute certainty of protection. Al-Mu'min. You may gently open your eyes. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.